So hey guys, wait. So I just bought activator. Like this cost like £10. I don't know why it is so cheap. So maybe not this is not working anymore. I don't know. Let's try it. And I bought some glue, big old glue. Okay. This is my first time making slime. I made slime but not this big. Oh wait. Is it sealed or something? The glue's not going out. Oh, it's sealed shut. I just bought this for like, I don't know, like $12.55. This glue, yeah. I bought this. It's a bit sticky. Okay, let's put the cap back on. Simula sa simple na pasunan. Sorry, just like singing. Now let's get it all there. Okay, just a little. Oh my god, I flattened it. Okay, let's add activator. Wait, can't see. Okay. Wait, it's not activating. Oh wait, it is. It's a bit lumpy. Oh my god, I poured too much. Oh wait. It's actually activating. It's activating. Just like normal ones. I wouldn't think this would work. I mean, I didn't think this would work. Okay, let's get the slime out of the table. Oh, it's sticky. I think I need to add a little bit more activator. Just a little. Sticky. Guys, it's sticky. It's sticking into my hands.